right here with a full mirror. And then you have the fridge, lavazza, as well as hot water and some water. Over here is the restroom, which we'll be heading into in a minute. As you turn the corner, you head into the main room. Looking out the window, it does look completely fake. It's that beautiful. This is a corner room. So you have two balconies over here, and it can be on either side of the building. We were lucky enough to get on this side of the building. The other side will be facing Alani. You have the king-size bed over here. You also have a lot of amenities in the Four Seasons where you could buy them from your room. So this is a Bluetooth speaker. You have a full closet over here. Desk area. And this is the first balcony right over here. Now this one doesn't have any chairs, but it does look over the other balconies down there. So there's another balcony there. But as you come out here on the end, you can see over the private beach. Not a terrible view. And now due to different bug problems out here, they do have screens. So if you want to open it up, you can close the screen and open up and still get the breeze at night. And then all the doors have doors on top of them, which you can close. So if you want to close these up at night, there are no curtains. You can close all these up, keep them open, keep the door open, get some breeze or not. And then we can head over to this side. Now out this balcony, also the same thing with the doors on either side. So you could open up with the screen if you just want to come out here and enjoy. Got a seating area, and also a lounge area. As I mentioned, this one looks over the other side. Looking down, you can see the restaurant, koi pond. Then over here on this side, this is the adult pool down here. So right here is the adult pool. Looks like they have a wedding going on today, but it's an infinity pool. They have cabanas out there, and then there's also a swim-up pool bar. Now over here is the restroom. Right through these doors. You have two showers, one on either side. You have a full tub. Over here, you can use it as a shower, and then a full shower. And then right around here, the toilet closet also. And all the light switches in the room have different settings. So day, sunset, relax, and nightlight. And so that is a corner view, ocean view at the Four Seasons Ko Olina in Oahu.